Hey you guys, today is day, I don't even know at this point. Sorry if it's really echoey in here, but good news is, well, not good news. Okay, let me update you guys. The past couple days I haven't filmed because I've been exhausted and I slept in this morning, so I feel a little bit better. I wanted to show you guys what we got done. So I got all the flooring done in what's going to be my office area, which is amazing. Now, yes, I know this is a ridiculous size for an office. This isn't just going to be my office. It's going to be an office slash like sitting area for me and my husband to chill. So it's a multi-purpose area, but kitchen is still half gutted. And then yesterday I started scrubbing this. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, please clean your houses out because it was so bad. Like everything, this all has to be replaced because it's just awful. But then today my project is to start taking out the carpet down the hallway and into the closets and start flooring those because, oh my gosh, the amount of difference. Like, these rooms feel huge with this flooring in it. It's so much better because that carpet, seriously, you guys, the carpet plus pad is like 1.5 to 2 inches thick. It's crazy. I mean, they used a good quality carpet. It's trashed because it wasn't, you know, it's dirty, but it's a nice dense carpet. So if you like carpet and that's your thing, that's nice. I'm literally gaining so much just space. Like, our ceilings literally got 1.5 inches taller just by changing out the floors. So that is what I'm working on today. So I haven't been filming a lot while I'm working. It's just that in some spots it's hard to know where to place the camera, and I have difficulty with the hammering. It's not like I can place the camera on the floor because I could damage it, but I'll see if I can film a little bit today. But yeah, that's where we're at. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5 days of progress. It's not a lot. It doesn't look like a lot, but we also had to add deadbolts on all 5 doors to the house because there were no deadbolts on the doors, you guys. Right now this is like our staging area. This will be our dining room, but right now it's just like a mini kitchen, dinner area, and, you know, stuff, supplies. But there were no deadbolts in the entire house, so we had to drill deadbolts into the doors, and that took forever. But tonight, my husband will be ripping out more of the kitchen, and hopefully this weekend we will be picking up cabinets. Hopefully, because yeah, we realized when my husband started ripping out the cabinets that see that black right there, that blackish gray shade. Looks brown on camera because there's yellow light in here. That's the back of the cabinets. There is no back to the cabinets. It's just a painted wall. So, yeah, that's all getting fixed. Oh, let me show you guys real quick the locks we picked out. They're a little bit different throughout the house. Some are round, some are square, depending on where they go. But I went for just nice matte black locks. I think they're beautiful. I'm going to do matte black hardware throughout the house, so it will tie in really nicely. That is it for this morning's update. It's going to be thunderstorming later, so I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys in a little bit.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel
I hate flooring this hallway with a passion. Well, yeah, that's the attic. I love you. I love you too. I owe you. What you do?
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down.
Hey you guys, I have no idea what day it is at this point, so this is probably going to end up being like several long vlogs. But we're actually at the end of our work day today. It's Sunday. I wanted to show you guys what I got done in this room. This is like our bonus kind of room, but it was originally going to be a play space, but now, because of rising case numbers, it's going to be the homeschool room for another year. Yay. So, I'm going to insert a clip of what it looked like before, which was basically this. White walls, wood paneling, well, kind of gray, like, not gray, but like tannish walls. Paneling, really ugly carpet. And then, here it is now. The top walls are actually painted pink. It's really hard to see on camera, and it's a super pale pink. And then the paneling, because it had all the, when we pulled the one piece off, it had a ton of black adhesive underneath that would have taken forever to scrape and smooth out the drywall. We just decided to go ahead and paint over it for now, and it looks so much better. I still need to paint the ceiling because the ceiling is disgusting. Oh, look, you can see the pink better at this angle compared to the white ceiling. Isn't it cute? It's really, really soft. You can't, literally, it looks more pink on camera than it does in person. It's super soft. Here's what it looks like over here. I still have not painted the door. It is this lovely, ugly brown because I need to get more primer before I can paint it. And I got the concrete floor cleaned and then the underlayment down. I didn't film any of it again because I forgot to charge my camera battery because I suck at vlogging apparently. But we decided to go for an underlayment down here that's a moisture barrier because we kind of needed one with this being concrete. It's super, super, super dry, but it's kind of a requirement and it should help deaden sound a little bit. And then I just went ahead and got my little spacers placed for putting in flooring tomorrow. But we are heading home now because it is later and we want to make sure we actually eat a real meal for once. Because we've pretty much been eating like sandwiches or fast food. So I have to wrap things up here. I'm going to try and film more tomorrow as I'm doing some of the floor and things like that. Because I think that's my next project here. Also, I'm going to be doing built-in desks along the walls here and then shelves above those. So I've got a ton of work to do before school starts for the kids next week. And we are actually pushing back moving by a week, which I don't like doing, but we have to because we had some issues in the kitchen, which I will explain to you guys tomorrow. But basically we had to change some plans around because they built the wiring and some of the piping in the house into the soffit that was above the cabinets that we decided to tear down. So that's been a whole big fun adventure. Good news is we have like half of our cabinets, which is awesome. But I have to let you guys go for now, and I will see you again tomorrow.